Just go through start going with your routines now, yeah.
So I start the sequence. I'm going through the moves of the first Meipaitu.
Yeah, just go, keep going, keep going.
I didn't see or hear or feel the sensation of his approach. 400 pounds, I guess, knocked into me. I completely had the breath knocked out of me, and that's all that I can remember of the sensation, is of completely having no breath in my body and struggling to get air again. And the muscles in my torso completely seized up. Even though it looks like I'm breathing there, what I remember is the sensation of not being able to breathe. This part I don't remember at all. I was dazed, I guess, somewhat dazed. And all this time I just felt unable to relax the muscles of my torso and take a proper breath. And those muscles didn't relax until in the emergency room they gave me a muscle relaxant, an injection.